Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. In today's video, I am here with the makeup look using all products from the Body Shop. This makeup will be great for an evening date on Valentine's Day, so let's start. I am using a serum to get a natural radiance before applying the foundation. Now I will apply the foundation. The Body Shop Fresh Nude Foundation is one of my favorite foundations. I am using the shade Fiji Sand. This is hydrating formula foundation that gives a natural and dewy finish. It is infused with aloe vera and English rose water and gives lightweight medium coverage. Using the fresh nude concealer on my eyelids and under the eyes. This is the shade Fair 01. It also has a very lightweight and hydrating formula similar to the foundation. I think this is a fairly new launch in India. Okay, now for the brows, I am using the Brow Sport Liner. A good liner pen for dark and defined brows. It's easy to apply and work with. For my eyes, I am using Paint in Color eyeshadow palette from the Body Shop. At first, I have chosen this matte brown color and applying above the crease. I am blending this with the blending brush. I am using this eyeshadow palette for the first time and I really love the shade selection. This color is blending so smoothly. Now I have high hopes for the other shades too. I am going for a cut crease look and this is a great concealer to do it. It feels extremely lightweight on the lids. Now using this beige shade on my lids and blending it well. This shadow is also soft and feels smooth while blending it. To add a pop of color, I am going for a beautiful green shade to apply in the inner corner for the lids and then for the outer corner. I have left the center area of my lids for another color and blending all this out. Now I am going to take this stunning golden shade to fill the center part of my lids. I love this pure golden shade. This is extremely pigmented and I really like it. All shades are so buttery and smooth and blend beautifully. For my brow bone, I am applying this champagne gold shade to highlight them. Using the same green and golden shade on my lower lids. I am using the Body Shop liquid eyeliner for the first time. It is truly black and the liner glides on the eyelids smoothly. Now curling my eyelashes and applying mascara. I am using the Body Shop Lash Hero Fiber Extension Mascara first on the upper lashes and then lower lashes. I am applying false eyelashes which is optional. You can skip it if you don't want to go too dramatic. Now I am contouring my face with the Rouge Bunny Rouge Defining and Contouring Liquid because I did not have a contour product from the Body Shop. For my blush, I am using this matte liquid lipstick from the Body Shop as a blush. I am using the shade Sydney Amaryllis which is my favorite. As you can see how beautiful it looks on my cheeks, isn't it? Now applying this Honey Bronze Highlighting Dome from the Body Shop to cut my lower jaw. And using this beautiful illuminator highlighter from the Body Shop on my cheekbones and other areas. It gives a flashing sheen to these areas. Coming to the lips, I am defining my lips with the Body Shop Lip Definer, my favorite lip liner. Finally filling them with the same lip color that I used as blush. This is beautiful red shade which is fantastic for the Valentine's Day or any other occasion when you want to sport bright red lips. I'm done and ready to go out with my partner. So what do you think about this makeup? If you like, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll meet with another video. Till then, bye.